Shopventory offers powerful, condition-based alerts that let you know as soon as inventory starts to run low. Let's take a look. You'll find the Alerts section in the left-hand navigation panel. Here we can create a new alert. Alerts are like saying, "Hey Shopventory, I want to be notified whenever a product matches the following conditions." You can start off by using quantity or by using an inventory forecast condition that estimates how many days are left until stock runs out. The forecasting option is only available for users on professional or elite subscriptions. Alerts can be very broad. For example, let's say I want to know if anything in an entire inventory category gets down to a quantity of 5 units or fewer. Just two conditions needed here. Quantity is less than or equal to 5, and the category name contains a particular word or phrase. We can also create a second alert that's specific to one particular item. We'll repeat that first quantity condition and then add that second condition. We can simply say the item name has to match exactly and then type it in. Finally, in addition to using item names, you can also use categories, variants, SKUs, barcodes, and/or location criteria to build your alerts. You'll be notified via email of any items that match an alert, and Shopventory's built-in filters make it easy to quickly identify low stock items. We also offer a low inventory report in our reports page. Unlike par levels, alerts will actually notify you once a product crosses that threshold. There is no limit to the number of alerts you can set, and the alerts function is included in the starter plan and above. For more information on this and other features, or to start a free trial today, visit us at shopventory.com.